This is what success looks like. This is the Corrigan collaborative model.
The model it's a success model, and it's a pathway to success.
There are 3 circles. We call them the circles of trust. The first one, the circle of collaboration, is critical. It involves the owner, the architect, the engineer, and the contractors, all in the same room at the same time, pulling together as a team, reviewing everything, doing the constructability studies, and sharing tactics using lean management insights. The tradesmen are there to review every aspect.
That provides the owners and the architects a level of reliability that their engineering and their drawings are going to be constructible.
Then we try to instill in every man, every craftsman, that what they have to offer is very important. Their experience is important. Bring it to the forefront. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know of a better way, something that you've learned through your experience, and they have to know that they will be heard.
This is critical. This is where opportunities are identified for cost reductions and to establish the collaborative target cost. The second circle is the circle of commitments. Here is where it all begins to come together.
Our commitment is very simple. We want to do the job safely. We want to do the job professionally. We want to do it as economically as feasible. And we all want to work together. It's a commitment that we make to the job, that we're all working together for a common goal. And that common goal is a finished product that the owner can be happy with, that the contractors involved can be happy with, and we as a company can be very satisfied and happy that we were able to perform for the owner and the general contractor that we were working for.
These commitments build in accountability and project controls. It builds in a mechanism for quick response when problems are encountered, so there's no lost time. The tradesmen are kept productive instead of standing around waiting for decisions to be made. In this circle, we find the craftsmen, the labor trades, the schedulers, and the subcontractors. Benchmarks are set, cost accounting is embedded, and material tracking is there. Off-site storage and staging is established. And finally, we come to the third circle, the circle of craftsmanship. We call it the last planner.
And that is code for the person that's actually going to do the work.
They're the guys that are actually tightening the bolts, putting in the fittings, doing the piping. They're the guys that their sweat is what makes the outcome of the job so successful.
Scheduling takes place here. The inventory of ready work is planned so that people are productive and that things arrive when they're supposed to, just in time. And finally, workflow reliability. At the end of the day, it all comes together. It's the proven professional pathway to success that has everyone focused on common goals: safety, quality assurance, and quality control. Team problem solving, collaborative effort, reliable engineering, pre-planning, target man-hours, target cost, risk management, and shared success.
We realize that we cannot succeed without the help of others. That commitment, the collaboration, the teamwork approach. And so the shared success is success across the board. It's not just for Corrigan Company, but it's for all players. It's from the owner, it's from the engineers, it's from the design contractors, it's from other subcontractors. Everybody across the board has that shared success. And it's not about Corrigan. It's about good for the whole in the project.
When you can get everybody thinking like that, you can do anything.
We sum it up in a simple sentence. We say it's C3: collaboration, commitment, craftsmanship, all coming together to create 3D, the three-dimensional project that you have in mind.
It's really been a very good way for not only the older guys who've been around a long time and the guys in the field, but for the younger fellas to understand the construction process, because it's very complicated. And I mean, if you're building a small building or an addition or a doghouse, it's not that complicated. But if you're building a coal-fired power plant or a nuclear power plant or a hospital, it's very complicated. And our model is a guideline on how to approach complex problems.
That's the Corrigan Collaborative Model. And what you'll see here are several case histories that will dramatically demonstrate its power. And you'll hear about it from the men who implemented it and the owners who enabled it.